everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to film my last plan with me on this size. So I will not be using a personal wide anymore, or at least for 2021 I don't want to use a personal wide. At least that's the plan for the start. We'll see how it goes. I've been on a personal wide for 2 years now, I believe, and I think it's time for a change. And I will be using a Light Planners Action coil bound planner actually for my YouTube videos. So this is me planning the week of Christmas. So these are the full boxes that I'm going to use. These are the full boxes from Scribbles Print Co, and it's called Birthday Babe, which is very festive. And I will be pairing it with a Panda Bird Designs red foil scallops, as well as I'm gonna try and use these two washies from Bloomsical, and they are Christmas washi. I think they're fitting, and I really want to use and make the best out of this kit. Out of these full boxes. I will also be pulling some other icons, such as these rose color Daze transparent icons in red and green. This is the November 2019 deco, if you can believe it. And I also pulled some leftovers from Nicole Alexia Design, along with my regular icons. So without further ado, let's get to the last plan with me on personal wide. So this week was pretty good. While I'm whiting out my sidebar, and hopefully this will be the last time I do it in a while, because I'm changing planners, baby. And I worked 4 days of the week because we worked until the 24th. But it was a very good week. My husband was home. We actually managed to spend some time together, which was good, and actually spend Christmas together. Usually he's working, so that was really exciting. I put down my washi, and I have to say this washi from Bloomsical is just absolutely stunning. After that, I put down all of my full boxes, along with the glitter headers from a kit that I use from Nicole Alexia Design, and they matched absolutely perfectly, which is good because you use your leftover stickers as well as just full boxes. There's no wastage, and you actually manage to get a beautiful spread out of it, and that really makes me happy. Some stickers are crooked, they're really crooked. I don't know what it was with me, but I was just not able to put a sticker properly this time around. Use this sticker from Rose Color Daze to mark down Coffee Monday. I didn't have any coffee cups around, and I'm trying to use just the stash that I selected from my stickers instead of bringing in new sheets before I end the sheets that I have. Worked from home on Monday. Received my my parcel from my US, the one that was missing that I've mentioned on my previous plans with me. And it was so satisfying to actually see everything. It was there. There was nothing missing. It was just 2 boxes delivered in a space of a week apart, which is not ideal, but it happens. And it was bin night. We forgot about bin night, so it's 2 weeks now that we forgot. So hopefully today it will work. This week it will work. And also did some of my gaming stuff, which was really nice. On the Tuesday, again, I worked from home. It was payday, which is also always a good day. And I've marked down payday with scalloped foil, red foil scalloped sticker from Panda Bird Designs. I don't know if she sells red foil stickers anymore in her shop. I do know that she has the scallop, but not red foil one. So I'm really lucky that I got this on a grab bag because it's just perfect for Christmas. I marked down payday with a girl from Planet Beautiful. And the cat litter or the meow script is from a shop called Holly Designs. I think she's closed right now. Put down a half box or a quarter box to mark down that I did some last minute shopping, and the cat is from Planet Beautiful as well. It's part of her holidays from 2 years ago. Finally, I've called my niece back home because it was her birthday, and I also had to call my in-law, my brother-in-law, this week because it was also his birthday. So a lot of people having birthdays at the end of December, which is quite annoying when you are a kid and you get only one gift because your birthday is so close to Christmas. Anyway, on the Wednesday I worked from home again and used a quarter box from the Nicole Alexi Design leftover kit to mark down that I needed to pay my credit card. I usually pay my credit card the day after I get paid, because it just makes sense to have that money already out of the account so I can plan my budget, so I can plan my weeks ahead with that payment out of the way. Also marked down that I water my plants. The girl is again from Planet Beautiful. Used yet another red scallop to mark down that I needed to wrap some of the gifts. And if you have cats, you know that wrapping gifts is half the time you're looking for the scissors, and the other half of the time you are getting the cat away from the wrapping paper. And I don't have just one cat, so let's just say it was quite an exercise, and I didn't finish wrapping the gifts because cats were getting on the way and I just couldn't handle it. So I started wrapping the gifts. I also marked down with a flag and an icon from the Graceful Planner that I needed to call my mom. And that was pretty much my Wednesday that day. But the wrapping gifts was just... It was a task. It was a long task, but it was interesting. It was funny. Talking about cats, the cats have been destroying the Christmas tree, which is good. I like watching them enjoying themselves. Anyway, on Thursday, worked from home. I worked only half a day that day, and the rest of the afternoon I went to the mall to get my nails done before Christmas. So I got in a nail appointment on a scallop label from Printables Design. Finished wrapping the gifts and marked it down with an adorable cat from Planet Beautiful. Also cleaned the litter trays and reminded myself with the little icon from rose-colored Daze that I needed to take the turkey out the day before Christmas so it could defrost. We have a very powerful deep freezer, and you usually have to do that the day before because it wasn't a big turkey. It was a 3 kilo only turkey, but still needed to be done. On the Friday, Friday was Christmas, so Friday it was just a lot of cooking, a lot of baking, a lot of roasting, and it was absolutely glorious. I marked down Merry Christmas with a cat from Planet Beautiful, and it's just pretty much how we spend the day here in our household. We baked cookies, we roasted the turkey, we did some Yorkshire pudding, which was absolutely beautiful. We didn't do much besides enjoying ourselves and spending time with each other. Mike usually works on holidays, so this one was a very good time that we could actually enjoy each other's company and cook up a storm. We still have so much food left. I watered my plants, and I also finalized some of the details on my game, which was good. And that was pretty much my Christmas. It wasn't anything special. We opened the gifts, of course, in the morning, right when we woke up. The cats helped, and it was really, really good. The cats each got a pouch of wet food. The dog got some wet food. So we all had a very, very Merry Christmas, and I hope you did as well. On the Saturday, I slept in because I was really tired. I also uploaded my previous plan with me. I also did some cleaning, so I put down quarter box from the leftover sticker sheet and put down a cleaning day script that I made myself and a little icon with cleaning supplies, and then I just put very, very, very crooked and I don't know why, what was wrong with me. I put down all of the tasks that I had for that day, all the scripts that I had put aside to mark down the things that I've done that day. And I have to tell you, I really put that sticker so crooked, and I tried to fix it and it didn't work, and it's just a mess. That's okay. And finally it was Clean Litters Day, and I put it down on another label from the leftover kit. Sunday, again, it was just a day to sleep in and eat too much food, but also it was laundry day, which I used the scalloped icon, a scalloped sticker, to mark it down and embellish a little bit. I also filmed a haul because I got my box on the Monday, but I didn't have the time to film anything, so I did filmed a haul, and I marked it down with a icon from the Graceful Planner. Also called my mom. As you know, I call my mom every Wednesday and every Sunday. And the last thing I did was to mark down end 2020. And by that I mean do a digital declutter and do a paper declutter as well. So any bills, anything that needs to go to the trash that is no longer relevant, should be decluttered. And also take out a few things off my planner, and that's my declutter, or 2020 end of the year. And that's the spread, everyone. This is my Christmas 2020 spread, and I really, really like it. The red foil from Panda Bird Designs just looks so amazing. Lots of yellow, which is a bit different, but the gold accents just make it up for it. And yeah, I think it looks really nice. I love the full boxes. They are very fitting, and I think it is a good way of saying goodbye to this size, at least for a while. Let's see how long it takes for me to get the hang of doing spreads on my light planners action, and a different size as well. So we'll see about that. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. Thank you so much for watching my plans with me throughout the year. I really appreciate it, and I wish you a great New Year Eve. I wish you a great 2021. We all need a win, and I really hope you stay safe, stay sane, wash your hands, be a good person, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.